In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively share access to your Hostinger account. This can be incredibly useful if you need to collaborate with team members or allow others to manage certain aspects of your account without sharing your login credentials. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to access the account sharing feature. Start by logging into your Hostinger account, which will bring you to the main control panel, commonly referred to as the H panel. Once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account Sharing. This is where you'll be able to manage who has access to your account and what permissions they have. Now that you're on the account sharing page, it's time to grant access to the person you want to collaborate with. Look for the button that says Grant Access and click on it. You'll then need to enter the email address of the individual you're allowing access to. It's important to ensure that the email address is correct, as this is where their invitation will be sent, granting them access to specified areas of your account. Next, you'll need to determine the level of access you want this person to have. You have a couple of options here. If you choose Admin, you're allowing the person full access to all features within your account, including the capability to make purchases using any payment method you've added. Alternatively, you can select Collaborator, which permits them to manage the website and its services, but restricts their ability to make purchases. This might be preferable for those you want to help manage content without the authority to incur costs. Once you've decided on the access level, you'll also need to select which specific services they can access, such as domains, hosting, or email accounts. This granular control means you can select each service individually, tailoring access to your needs. Additionally, consider if you want them to configure pending orders. This option allows them to set up services that are awaiting confirmation, which can be useful for immediate action on planned activities. To wrap things up, click on the final Grant Access button to send the invitation. An email will promptly be sent to the collaborator containing instructions on how to proceed. They will need to accept this invitation and either sign up for or log into their own Hostinger account. Once they've completed this step, they'll locate your shared account under the Managed Accounts section in their dashboard. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently manage who accesses your Hostinger account and precisely what they can do, ensuring a smooth collaboration process. Thanks for following along, and happy hosting.